Hello and welcome back to Murfin Motor Company and another car for sale video. This one is a 2012 Ford Focus 1.6 Zetec. It's done 114,000 miles. This one doesn't quite meet our normal, very strict retail criteria, which means somebody's going to get a bit of a bargain price car here. It's a really nice thing, actually drives really well, but it's just got a few cosmetic things that just make it a bit uneconomical for us to get involved with, to be honest. But for somebody, it's going to make a really nice car. So with that in mind, let's have a look around. I'm going to try and point out the things that I think detract from the car a little bit, but most of them are cosmetics. That's it. But let's have a little look around. So we start really, the main thing is this here. There's a little a bump in there, look, and it's just pushed that in a bit. Plus this, I think, has possibly had a previous repair. It's not, you know, the paintwork there isn't very good. And stuff like that these days, for us to do that, is hundreds and hundreds of pounds. It's just not worth it on a car of this age. And for somebody, you know, they can make themselves live with it, and it's a cheap car. So mechanically, it seems very good. Let's have a little look around. So we've got nice alloys. Look, we've got a virtually brand new tyre on the front. And down the side here, apart from, you know, the odd little mark in the door, look, and a couple of little car park dinks that you'd expect on a car of this age and mileage, it's in really good order. We've got another decent alloy there, look, no problems with that, and another virtually brand new tyre on the back. So down the side, nothing really to note, a couple of little car park dinks, as I've said. Around the back here we've got the parking sensors. Let's have a little look inside the boot. Parcel shelf is missing a string. Inside it's all right. We've got a spare. Does everything it should. As we come down this side, again, very good tyre there. Looking a decent alloy. Actually, it's cleaned up really well. Actually, better than I thought it was going to do. I'll be honest. Again, this is something that we would pick up that probably you wouldn't, but this has had a previous little bit of paintwork as well at some point. It's not been done to a particularly good standard, but again, it's fine for a car of this age and mileage, to be honest. You probably wouldn't even tell, but we would, we know. So inside, it's got cloth, it's seat belts, it's, you know, it's got everything it should. It's fine. No funny smells, it's worth noting. It's not been smoked in or anything. This side again, seats are all in good order. Let's have a little look inside in terms of specs. So Zetec comes with a heated front screen, air conditioning, it works. Radio, CD player, steering wheel, phone, Bluetooth, what have you. Front electric windows, lights over there. So fairly standard car, but good, simple, clear, basic little car, to be honest, which is these days I think what you want, you know. I've actually had several of these myself over the years. I really like them. Easy to fix, loads of parts available, good little car. So it's got a good history. Let's have a look at this. So we've got main dealer to start with, obviously. So 2012, 2013, 2014, look, 15, 16. Then we've got, what's that, 30,000, and then there's one there at 32, 18,000, so 48 at 19, 54 at 20, 21, 22. Then that's the last one stamped in the book, but we do have a couple of other bills and receipts. So we've got one here in 24 at 94, and the last one we had, which was done very recently, was done at 112, and that was done, where's the date? Can't see it for looking. Oh yeah, in May, the same time as the MOT. Yeah, so had a service and it had an MOT and no advisories, which on a car of this age, let's be honest, is pretty remarkable. It's only done 114 now, so it's been looked after. So mechanically, it's really nice, I think, and it drives well. No funny noises or anything. It all seems to drive and do everything it should do. We've got another alloys, a little bit chewed on the outer edge for that one, but, and again, virtually a brand new tyre. So, you know, it's actually pretty good. Good, solid, cheap car, that. So basically it's part exchange to clear, which means we can't really offer any sort of guarantee with it. But what a lot of car for the money. These days you don't get a lot of car for what that is. All the information's on the website if it's still available. It's murfinmotorcompany.co.uk, and there you'll find all of our contact info. Just please bear in mind, it is what it is. It's a part exchange to clear. You feel free to come along, do whatever you need to do, get in it, do everything, okay? But you know, it's 114,000 miles. It is what it is. But nice car. Thanks for watching, and if you need any more information, please get in touch. murfinmotorcompany.co.uk. Thanks. Bye.